Good afternoon, students. This is your mathematics section for grade 7th. Our chapter name is fraction. Under fraction, already we have learned addition of fraction, subtraction of fraction, multiplication of fraction, then division of fractions. These things and all we have discussed and learned in the previous classes, right? So today we are going to see a new topic. The topic name is simplification of numerical expression. The topic name is simplification of numerical expression. It is in page number 30. Open your book and take page number 30. 30. Page number 30. Okay, listen. If the numerical expression include mixed operation, we need to follow the BODMAS rule. Okay, if the numerical operation include mixed operation means in the same expression you will be having addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, everything will be having every operations. In that case we need to use the BODMAS rule. Okay, so the order of BODMAS is first B for brackets, O for off, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Okay, these are the order of BODMAS. B for brackets, O for off. Off means you all know what is off. Off means multiplication. You need to multiply. Okay, off means off. D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. Then S means subtraction. We need to follow this order. So bracket means first we need to solve the bracket terms. Inside the bracket we will be having some operation. Inside bracket we will be adding two numbers or multiplying two numbers or dividing into numbers. First we need to solve the bracket numbers, then come for off. If there is if there is a word between any number of means first we need to solve the off. First solve the brackets, then come for off, then come for division. Next we need to do the division, then multiplication, then addition, then last subtraction. This is the order. Okay, we need to follow this order. First simplifying the numerical expression with mixed operation. Clear? Understand? Yes. So question example 21. Take page number 30 and take example 21. Simplify the following numerical expressions. So we are having 4 questions. We are going to solve one by one. Simplify the following numerical expression. Okay. Take the first question. Question A. Question A. 2 by 3 of 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 7. Listen carefully. See the expression. In the expression we are having of, then division. 2 operations are there. Okay. For this case we need to follow the BODMAS rule. What is the order of BODMAS? First we need to solve the bracket terms. Okay, check whether any brackets are there. First check the question whether there is any brackets. No brackets are there. Then see off. See whether there is any off word. Yes, here is the off word. So we are going to solve first this numbers. 2 by 3 of 3 by 4. First we are going to solve this. Then we are going for division. Okay, so listen carefully. So 2 by 3. What is mean by off? Off means, already we discussed, off means multiplication. 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 7. First we need to solve this numbers. Okay, first solve 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. Now see any common factors are there. Whether there is any common factor, we can cancel 3 and 3, right? We can cancel 3 and 3. So 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Again we can cancel 2 and 4. 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Now multiply the remaining numbers. 1 into 1, 1 divided by 1 into 2 is 2. 1 into 1, 1 divided by 1 into 2 is 2. Then try the remaining number. Divided by 4 by 7. Divided by 4 by 7. Okay, now we are going to divide 1 by 2 by 4 by 7. You all know how to divide, right? So 1 by 2, this division symbol will change into, division sign will change into multiplication sign into, then take the reciprocal for the second fraction. Reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. Reciprocal of 4 by 7 is 7 by 4. Check whether any common factors are there. No common factors. So multiply the numbers and write the answer. 1 into 7, 7. 7. 4, 2 into 4, 8. So your answer is 7 by 8. Clear? Understand? Yes. So the main thing is first check how many operations are there. Check here there is two mathematical operations. One is multiplication, one is division. So we need to follow the BODMAS rule. BODMAS means first B stands for brackets. Check whether any brackets are there. There is no brackets. Then come for the next step. Then O. O means off. Check whether any O word is there. Off. O means off. So here it is off. Off means multiplication. We all know off means multiplication. So we need to multiply 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. So 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 is 1 by 2. Then divided by 4 by 7. Next we need to divide 1 by 2 divided by 4 by 7. So 1 by 2, this multiplication sign will change into, this division sign will change into multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for 4 by 7. The reciprocal is 7 by 4. Check whether any common factors are there. If there is no common factor means just multiply the numbers and write the answer. So 1 into 7, 7. 2 into 4, 8. So our answer is 7 by 8. Clear? Then our second question, 3 1 by 5 into 1 3 by 3 divided by 1 by 5. Our question is 3 1 by 5 into 1 3 by 5 divided by 1 by 3. This is our question. The first thing is, we need to convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. The first thing is convert all the mixed fraction into improper fraction first. Okay. So first convert it. 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So 16 by 5 into 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 by 5 bracket divided by 1 by 5. Okay, this is your question. So we are here, see the question, multiplication and division, the same expression we are having, multiplication and division. So we need to follow the BODMAS rule. Okay, what is the BODMAS rule? First we need to solve the brackets. See whether brackets are there. Yes, here we are having brackets. So first we need to solve this number. Okay, then go for the next sign. So first we are going to solve the brackets. So check whether any common factors are there. Whether there is any common factors? No. So just multiply 16 into 8. What is 16 into 8? 6 8s are 48. Balance 4. 188. 8 plus 4. 12. So it is 128 divided by 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25 divided by 1 by 5. Now go for division. Okay. So 128 divided by 25. This division sign will change into multiplication sign. Then 5 by 1. So what's the next step? If there is any common factor means just cancel each other. We can cancel 5 and 25. 1 5 is 5. 5 5s are 25. So 128 divided by 5. Now your answer is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. 128, 5, 5 2s are 10. Balance 2, 8, 5 5s are, 2 5s are 10. This is 5 table, no? So 2 5s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Balance 3. So your answer is 25 3 by 5. This is your answer. Okay. 25 3 by 5. So 2 5s are 10. Balance 2 28. 5 5s are 25. So our answer is 25 3 by 5. This is your answer. Clear? First we need to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then check how many signs are there. See there, multiplication and division is in the same expression. So just follow the BODMAS rule. For the BODMAS rule, the first order is brackets. Check whether any brackets are there. See here, one bracket is there. So first we need to solve the bracket terms, then go for the next sign. Okay. So just first in your finding this bracket numbers, you will be getting 128 by 25, then divided by 1 by 5. Now just divide both the numbers. Clear? Yes. Okay, listen carefully. Third question, very important question. Okay, see the question, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 8 minus 1 by 4. See the expression. We are having addition, multiplication, division, subtraction. We are having every operations. So we need to follow the BODMAS rule. Okay. What is the BODMAS rule? What is the first order? First we need to solve the brackets. Check whether any brackets are there. Any brackets? No brackets. So go to the next order. Next is O. O means off. Check whether the word off is there. No, off is not there. So go for the next word, that is D. BODMAS. The third letter is D. D for, yes, very good, division. So we are going to do the division first. 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 8. First we are going to divide these two numbers. Then after division we need to go for multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. Okay, this is the order. So first we are going to do division. So listen carefully. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into, now we are going for division. So 5 by 4, this division sign will change into multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for 5 by 8 is 8 by 5 minus 1 by 4. Okay, 8 by 4. 5 by 4 into 8 by 5. Now check whether any common factors are there. Yes, we can cancel 5 and 5. 1 5 is 5, 1 5 is 5. Then 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 1 into 2, 2. 2 by 1 minus 1 by 4. Clear? Clear? Yes. First we need to divide 5 by 4 divided by 5 by 3. 5 by 4, this division sign will change into multiplication sign. Then take the reciprocal for 5 by 8. The reciprocal is 8 by 5. Now check whether any common factors are there. Here we can cancel 5 and 5 and 4 and 8. So when you are cancelling, you will be getting 2 by 1. Okay. So what is the next step? Next we need to do multiplication. Okay. So we are going to multiply 1 by 3 into 2 by 1. So 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3 into 2 by 1. Any common factors are there? No common factors. So just multiply. So 1 into 2 is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay, clear? Okay, what's the next step? Next we need to do addition or subtraction. Yes, next we need to do, very good, addition. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. Now check the denominators. Whether both the denominators are same. No, denominators are not same. So we need to take LCM. Very good, LCM. So first we need to add this two fraction, 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3. So when you are checking the denominator, both the denominators are different. So we need to take LCM. So LCM for 4 and 3 is 12. Okay. LCM for 4 and 3 is 12. So denominator is 12. So you all know how to do addition for unlike fraction, right? So 3 by 4 into 12. 3 by 4 into 12 is 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. It is 9. Then 2 by 3 into 12. 1 3 is 3, 4 3s are 12. It is 8. So 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 divided by 12 minus 1 by 4. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 by 12 minus 1 by 4. 17 by 12 minus 1 by 4. Now we need to subtract both the numbers. Okay, now we are going to subtract both the numbers. 17 by 12 minus 1 by 4. Again check the denominators. The denominators are different. Again then go for, then we need to take LCM. So our LCM is what is LCM for 12 comma 4? LCM is 12. Okay, LCM is 12. So we need to get the value 12. Here already the LCM denominator is 12. So no need to change any number. Just write 17 minus, find for this number. 1 by 4 into 12 is, 1 4 is 4, 3 4s are 12. So it is 3. Okay, 1 into 3. 17 minus 3 by 12. 17 minus 3 by 12. So 17 minus 3 is, yes, very good, 14 by 12. So 14 by 12 we can cancel in 2 tables, right? 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. So it is 7 by 6. Again it is the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed fraction. 7, 6, 1, 6 is 6, balance 1. So our answer is 1, 1 by 6. This is your answer. Your answer is 1, 1 by 6. Clear? So first we need to do division. Then multiplication, then addition, then last subtraction. This is the procedure. Clear? Understand? Yes. Okay, then our last question. 5 minus bracket 2 by 3 of 3 by 8 plus 8 plus 3 by 4. 5 minus 2 by 3 of 3 by 8 plus 3 by 4. So what is the first step? First check whether all the expressions are same. See, here it is subtraction, then of multiplication, here addition. Here we are having mixed operations. So we need to follow the BODMAS rule. For BODMAS rule, first we need to solve the bracket terms. Okay, so here the bracket is there. First we need to solve the 2 by 3 of 3 by 8. Okay, first solve the bracket terms. So 5 minus 2 by 3. What is off? Off means, you all know, off means multiplication. 3 by 8 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so check whether any common factors are there. Yes, we can cancel 3 and 3. Then 2 and 8. 1 2 is 2. 4 2s are 8. Now 5 minus 1 into 1 1. 1 minus 4 plus 3 by 4. Okay, so what is the fraction form of 5? We can write 5 as 5 by 1, right? We can write 5 as 5 by 1. Next, what is the next step? The next step is, yes, very good, addition. So 5 by 1. Check the denominators. Both the denominators are same. So just add the numerators. Minus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. Okay, minus 1 plus 3 divided by 4. So 5 by 1 minus 3 plus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is so 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 by 4. 5 plus 2 by 4. Here we can cancel 5 and 4, right? Sorry, 2 and 4 in the same table. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So it is 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2. 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2. 3 minus 1 is plus 2, right? So it is plus 2 by 4. We can cancel 2 and 4. 1 2 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2. Now we need to add. Check the denominators. Denominators are different. So take LCM. The LCM for 1 comma 2 is 2. So 5 by 1 into 2 is 10. 5 by 1 into 2 is 10. So 10 plus, here already the denominator is 2. So no need to change any numbers, just write plus 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 by 2, it is in the form of improper fraction. So convert it into mixed, 5 2s are 10, balance 1. So your answer is 5, 1 by 2. Clear? This is your answer. Answer is 5, 1 by 2. So what is the first step? First one need to solve the bracket. So when you are solving the bracket, you will be getting 1 by 4. Now go for addition. 1 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So when you are adding, you will be getting 2 by 4. We can cancel 2 and 4. 1 2 is 2, 2 2 is 4. Now 5 by 1 plus 1 by 2. So normal addition. Check the denominators. Denominators are different. So go for LCM. Then you will be getting the answer 5 1 by 2. Clear? Understand? So the main thing is, if the numerical expression include mixed operation, means we need to follow the Bodmer's rule. Bodmer's rule is nothing but it is the order, one order. Okay, B means brackets. First we need to solve the brackets. O means multiplication. O means off. Off means multiplication. Then D division. Then multiplication, addition, subtraction. First we need to solve the brackets. Then off, division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. Okay, very very important topic. So learn clearly. Okay, if you have any doubt, means please ask me in the Zoom class. Okay, thank you all.